Hey man, I should be. Alright, so I want to dig another chocolate cookie and no cause.
Perfect.
Hey my natural beauties, what is up? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a unboxing of some stuff that I got from Crumbs. Now, backstory. So my friend from high school, Jeffrey, he recently started his bakery. He sent me some stuff for review. Alright, so I'm going to be trying the stuff on camera. I'm going to be unboxing this gorgeous basket that he sent. It comes with a card on it right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm going to read what the card says. The card says, "Hi Crumbs, okay. Thank you for following the crumb trail that led straight to the doors of our company. Here at the Crumbs headquarters, we value a well-baked dessert. Alright, main ingredients: a cup of love, a pinch of dedication. From golden sun-kissed plantain tarts to thicker than life chocolate chip cookies." That's so good. We provide sweet treats that leave our customers wanting more every time. It's our guarantee to have you shaking every crumb from the box. Crumbs, I'm joking, I said that. Okay. We tip our chef hats to you in gratitude for your purchase. Thank you for your support and welcome. Welcome. I love it. Okay, and there he signs it saying GFUS. All right. So on there it says baking it personal. Like the whole theme and the idea of everything is just literally perfect. Okay, I'm excited. I really want to get into the basket. And it comes with this really cute string. Very well themed. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this. I'm really excited to see what is inside. I see chocolate chip cookie. Okay. Yo guys, oh my god. Yo guys, in my room smell like a whole bakery right now, you know? Oh my gosh. You guys need to see this. I'm done. Hold on. Alright guys, I eat with my eyes. So y'all already know my belly full from me look on this. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you what each item is, but I just wanted to show you guys inside the package. Oh my god, you guys. They have the cute little confetti paper. I think this is a plantain tart. I really don't even know, but I'm going to be showing you guys all the items as I unbox them, and of course I'm going to try them. You guys know I'm too excited right now. Like when I see that and then the aroma will come up, just like kill me. Oh god. Okay, so I don't even know where to start. Let's start with the stuff that's already slightly opened. Okay, so this looks like a cookie. It says done homemade and fresh. I am beyond excited right now. Okay, so I think this is a Marla knocked on the door. I think this is, I don't know what is this, but I'm gonna take a bite. I think this is a brownie or a full on. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm going to place the list of items that I got in my basket and I tried on the screen. I am so hot right now. I'll open it in a minute. I gotta turn on the fan. Come here, but no, pull on. Alright guys, you know the fan makes that annoying buzzing sound. I'm so sorry, but my heart me a bun up. Oh god, look. Look at that. Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Are you dumb? Look at that. Full on chocolate chip. So throughout this video, since this is somebody I personally know, I can vouch for him. I can vouch for him. Hands down, I can vouch. He's always been into cooking, baking. That's his thing. From high school. This looks like a raisin one. right? Let me show you guys that up close. And this is what it looks like up close. I love the size of all these items. Like, them not small. Them not small at all. I'm tasting oatmeal. Where's my taste? Favorite so far. This is, I think this is a plantain tart. I don't know. It looks tarty. It looks like a little mini patty. Guys, my sweet tooth is tingling right now. Hold on. Let me try this. Moving from a cookie to this, the sweetness is a little less in this. I'm gonna drink some water when I'm done, but may I try everything. I feel so proud right now. Look at this. Could I? So authentic. I love. I'm gonna open it. What are these? They look like little mini donuts. I don't know. These are good. This is like coconut. Okay, next item. Once again, loco. Ooh. What is this? What is this? It's obviously a donut. I think it's this looks like cookie crisp, like a cookie crisp donut, like basically like an accent of chocolate. I know I love food, you know. I don't know this. This is nice too. Guys, I got a whole banana bread. Oh god, look here. I only have 2 more items left to try. I got a whole banana bread. You guys can see that. I know this is going to be good. I'm definitely gonna save this banana bread to try with my family, so I'm not gonna eat that. But I can know it's a got. Last item is this brownie. Yo guys, I'm a sucker for themed things. I'm a sucker for themes and aesthetic. Sucker. This right here has me. Like, this just makes it feel like high-end dessert. The time and effort that goes into this. Look here. Alright, so I got my little brownie cube all wrapped up in plastic. I'm gonna see if I can find the end of this, and yay, not hard. Take a bite of this chocolate brownie. Yo, this is loaded. No joke. Look at that. Are you dumb? Look at that. It has me nuts, but I can't pick up exactly what it is. Definitely not peanuts. I'll take another bite. So that might just be walnuts, guys. Oh god. So the banana bread would have been the last item that I have to try, and I'm gonna save that to eat with my family, so I won't be touching it. Let me just talk to you guys about this stuff while I eat something, because trust me, when you taste up your mouth to them something, you're just happy. Continue, you're just happy. Favorite item of all the things I've tried. Decisions. It would be between the brownie and the cookies. I don't know which one of the cookies this is, but it will be on the screen. This is my favorite item, and I have a feeling that's because I have not tried the banana bread. but yeah. Crumbs has officially launched, so if you're in Jamaica and you'd like to order some items, I'm gonna have the info to the company in the description bar. You order via Facebook or Instagram. Reaching out on either one of those platforms, you can go ahead and proceed to the booking process once you get in contact with them. I'm pretty sure they cater, right? I'm pretty sure they do cater. So you guys can just go ahead, shoot them some messages, go on their Instagram, follow their Instagram, their Facebook, and other social media platforms where they will be showing you guys the items, pictures of the items, and you guys can literally eat with your eyes. Payments for your items are made via bank transfer. So I believe it's either a Scotia or NTB account. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I really don't know exactly how far they ship to, but I'm pretty sure once you reach out to them, they will give you all those details. I'm very excited. I'm happy for my friend. Like, I'm so happy for him. This has been something we have been discussing for years. So go ahead, show him some love. Comment down below which item you think of all the stuff that I just ate looks the best. Just tell me which one you think off the bat, which one looks the best to you, and which one looks like it tastes best. Alright? So I want you guys also to drop me a comment, and in your comment I want you to put Crumbs, right? I'm gonna have the words right here. I'm gonna let him send me the logo so I can put it right here. I want you guys to write Crumbs in the comment section. Alright, let's spam it up. Also, if you're not already subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, subscribe to you girl, and turn on your post notifications to get notified every single time I drop a brand new video. Crumbs, it's launched, it's here. I want you guys to go ahead and check it out. All the info, as I said, down below in the description bar. Follow all the socials, and I'm at NaturallyMsToya on everything. And yeah, Gio, I'm proud of you. I'm just proud. Like, this is hitting home right now because this is my friend, guys. This is my friend, man. I'm proud I am. I'm proud I am. This has been something we've been discussing for years. Like, why you gonna do this? Why you gonna do this? And it's finally here, so I'm extremely proud of him, guys. Support more black businesses, support more local businesses and small businesses that are just starting out. Alright, this is what we're gonna be doing in 2020 for the remainder of the year. We already see this year is attacking us crazy. So many different crazy things happening. Let's just support each other and keep it tight. Alright, let's just keep it tight. Yeah, thanks guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.